Hi everyone, Paul Morbid here, Morbid Team Entertainment. Going to look at this Bolex standard double 8mm P2 as seen at the end of my pencil eraser right here. Alright, so what we're going to focus on this time is the diopter. Okay, as you see, you turn it and it rotates. But not only does it rotate, watch here, you'll see it move in and out. So watch closely. In, out. Again, this part right here at the end of my pencil eraser. In, out. For those of you who don't know. Alright. We all start somewhere. And take a look inside here. Here's the viewfinder. Goes all the way through here. Alright. So let's take a look. A screwdriver. I have a micro mini flathead. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and remove this screw, micro mini flathead. See how well it's going to give it to me or not. Movement. Always good. Excuse me. There's a screw. Seen those in Bolexes before, huh? Alright. Remove this plate. There we go. Yeah, I've been in here before. Okay. There we are. If we remove this front turret again, push this forward, you can pull this out. There we go. And there you go. See those little spider webs right there? It's called the spider web effect. That is fungus. So I'm going to have to dismantle this. If you look close, there's a couple of areas right here, and I've even lost them. Where are you? Here they are. The end of my pencil eraser. It's difficult to see, but you got one here, and right across them, and another one right there for a spanner wrench. Okay. And I have to dismantle this, clean it with rubbing alcohol, and then put it under UV light for several hours, both sides. Okay. Hopefully it has not penetrated. The fungus has not penetrated, hopefully, the glass element. We're going to find out. That is definitely fungus. Now you see what it looks like. Okay. See? Yet again. There's no vintage movie camera that you get in that works perfectly, because there's always issues like this lurking below. And you don't want to have one that the fungus is not removed. You want to take care of that quickly, because it can affect the rest of the camera, which it has, and other cameras that you have sitting nearby. Okay? So for now, I'm just going to put this back in here. There we go. Okay. Let's take a look at this diopter. That went in the first time. It doesn't happen all the time, huh? The governor, I mean, right to the turret. All right. There you go. You just unscrew it. And yes, yet again, look close. See on that glass element, that's fungus. That's what I gotta clean. Alright, so concerning the spanner holes, here they are, 1 and 2. I probably won't even have to use my spanner wrench. I can use a screwdriver. Grab one of the spanner holes and just take this piece right here and just start turning. Staying away from the glass element, that is. For a situation like this, it's really all there is to do. Alright, so we got it up there, worked up. Screw it right off. When you're putting this back on here, remember, the spanner holes go up. Facing up. Alright. Piece right there. There's the element. I'm going to get my tool to remove it. Alright, you got my vacuum sucker cup. Remember, the direction this glass element is sitting in here, okay? Which is why you need one of these. Really helps out to squeeze it in, place on the element, pull it up and set it down quickly. Okay. We'll go from there. Next, we have yet another one. Alright, so here we are at this glass element. You see right here, at the end of my pencil eraser, there's some fungus. Hopefully it's not worn into the glass. Squeeze in. Just trying to get around those screw threads is the issue. That's the problem. Sit it down quickly. Alright. Let me get a close-up for you on this. Here you are. That needs to be clean because there is fungus inside of there, okay? Put it right there. But the thing right now I want to show you is close-up on this. Okay, right now we're going to take a close look at this glass element that we removed on the bottom. The silver part on top is a ring. It is not a glass element. Alright. So just to show you this, this is what it is. But yes, all this stuff will have to be cleaned with rubbing alcohol. It's all going to have fungus on it. Okay, do remember, keep in mind which way your glass elements go back in upon reassembly. Okay? Alright, now for the fun stuff. Okay, the Diopter. Remove these. Remember which way they go on. Okay, so there they are. There's 2 washers right here. Okay, put those out of the way. Okay, so now that we got that done, what do we do next? Well, here we are. A very micro mini flathead screwdriver. There's a size for you. Where are the screws, you might say? Well, they're in these little areas here at the end of my pencil eraser. So I get it in there where these things are tiny. They can give you problems. They've been in here so long. Be easy with them. Take your time. They may come out easy, they may not. Remember, these things have been in here since the time of manufacturing. They're really dirty. Okay, there's one. Let's take a look at it. Same type of screw. All right, I'll put that in between the two washers on my table. Well, it stuck to my finger. Don't let this happen to you. See there? I just tried to put that in there and it stuck to my finger. You could end up losing it that way. Make sure you look back. That's where you put it. Okay. Turn it around. We got one. Okay, here's another. Things are so tiny you have to feel with the head of the screw. And maybe I got it. It's really difficult to tell. No, I don't have it. Okay, it looks like I got it now. That again. All right, there we go. Okay, roll it around. Find the next one. And hopefully I have it. I don't think so. I got it this time. Yeah, looks like I have. Right. Glad it didn't fly across the table. There we go. Next, dishwashing liquid and mineral water. Take the diopter here and gently drop it in there. Okay. You want to make sure this dishwashing liquid with mineral water reaches just about over the top of here. If it reaches over completely the top, that's fine. All right. We'll probably let that sit about an hour. Okay, now that you've taken the diopter out of the dishwashing liquid and mineral water, we can now focus on another area of the diopter. Inside of here there is a tall washer. If you look really close you'll see it, and there is a spanner opening at the end of my pencil eraser here, and then one on the other side. Take a good look. Okay. Alright. So all you do, you don't really need a spanner, you just simply need a micro screwdriver flathead. Put it in there, catch it on there, and start turning that thing. That's it. Work it up. Do what you can not to stab your glass elements, not to scratch them. this up. Okay, that should be it. Next, toothpick. I'm going to work this thing out. Careful with your glass element down on the bottom. Okay, there's the part. It'll need to be cleaned. Remember, when you put this part right here back in, again, for one thing, good thing it only goes in one way, but the spanner openings need to be on top as we pulled it out. Otherwise, you're going to have a problem. All right. So there we are at this point. Let's get another angle. Okay, again, you're going to need your glass element extracting tool. It's a suction cup. All right. You can just squeeze it. All right. So here we're going to grab the diopter. The glass element, as you can see, is at the end of my pencil eraser. Take your extracting tool, squeeze in, apply the suction cup to the glass element, of course, release the suction cup, and slowly pull this out. And then put it on the table instantly, so you know which side it was on. So let's take a look at that. So I touch the sides of it only. All right. So the top of this element is flat. This is flat. The bottom is convex. It's crescent, in other words. See it? See how that bottom part of the glass element is convex? It's crescent. Okay, that goes to the bottom, and the flat part here goes to the top. Now you can clean these, and then we'll also have to put them under a UV light. I have another link for that I can put up in the description. Next, we have another glass element. Take a look, you can even see the fungus on it. Element extracting tool. So again, suction cup. Press it in. Put it deep inside. Grab hold of the glass element. Let go of the suction cup. And slowly pull up and put it on the table as quickly as possible. Alright. Now you can see the parts. There's a ring here. Okay, on top. We'll move that out of the way. For right now. This glass element is flat on both sides. But even so, during reassembly, put the glass element in the same way it came out on the same sides. Always helps. Okay. So that's how far it goes as far as that is concerned. Next, you need some rubbing alcohol, at least 99.9%. You don't want to go below 87, as that contains a lot of water. Okay. and apply this to, where did I put you? Oh, there you are. Microfiber cloth. Okay. Good and saturated there. And you want to clean all these parts off right here with the microfiber cloth is what you want to do. So just go through here and do a good cleaning because there is fungus. You will also take all of these parts from the viewfinder and the diopter and put them under the UV light. That will be posted in the description. Okay. Run this up and through here, just like so. All right. And then to the glass elements. Remember, you do not want to touch the glass elements with the fingers, as the body oils can destroy the glass. All right. You can just pick it up just like that. Do not forget the orientation. And give it a good cleaning. This will not destroy the fungus. It may remove a little bit, definitely the dirt. Any rust you may have on there, yes, sometimes rust is on the glass elements. Comes from the metal, it's transferred from the metal to the glass elements. All right, but all this will have to go through a UV light, and that will be for a long time on each side. Several hours on one side of the glass element and the parts, then you had to flip the part over and had to do it again for several hours. Although they'll be explained in the video in the description again. Okay? So there you are. The Bolex P2 diopter and viewfinder. You got to take these apart, get them cleaned, and sometimes when you get in a vintage movie camera, you're going to dismantle it and find parts missing. Alright, so what I've got to do is I got to go ahead and mine and put these glass elements under a UV light. I got to go ahead and start that. Just get it done. Okay, so from the first of my video, you should understand how to reassemble the diopter and the viewfinder. All right, just make sure you put those under UV light and all the parts as well. Do contact me at the social media outlets provided on the screen, and remember, as always, do subscribe. Until next time, later.